Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
And welcome back to Dog and Partridge, a place of home fine craft ales. If you ain't met him before, this is my tier 1, level 6, keep out, stay in, go out, don't know anybody, completely lost plot. More famous for Dog and Partridge.
This is my tier 3. I can't remember. He's my brewmaster brother Dave Parry.
There you go. Welcome everybody back to the Dog and Partridge. The only thing that's going to cure all this rubbish, you know, bro, is beer.
It's beer. Beer is the answer. No politics in it, just beer.
Yeah. Rest of the world out there.
Yeah, we've got a fly thing in there. Good. Why is it that? Anyway.
He's got a beer.
So, what we got for me tonight then, bro?
Well, tonight in the world famous Dog and Partridge, we have got 3 beers coming up. 2 from Dark Rock, Aussie Sparkling and New Zealand Pilsner.
We're telling them because we didn't promo it last time, didn't we?
That's that right, that's it. And we've got a cheapo one from Wilkos.
Oh, now then, controversially, last time, Wilkos was the best beer, wasn't it?
I don't think it's going to be this time.
Oh, hey, you're promising me big things here. So we're going to start with the Wilkos then, bro.
Cough. Right,
Eat you after.
yeah, we'll start with the Wilkos. Right, show them the tin out.
Oh yeah, peeps at home. Here we go, here's the tin. Let's see that in there, something like that.
You'll get this in your most Wilko stores for £12. This is our Wilko IPA. Comes with yeast, and that's about it.
Brewed at home, 40 pints brewing kit, IPA.
That's the one.
Hop and cheer for this light and hoppy IPA. Contains all the main ingredients needed. Just add sugar and water.
Just add sugar and water. Again, you'll have to have either brewing sugar, a beer kit enhancer, or if you really want to push about a bag of malt extra. I added a bag of beer enhancer, which is the spray malt and the sugar mixed, round about £6. So it takes your old bundle up to about 18 quid for 4.
Still pretty damn cheap for 40 pints of beer, isn't it, eh?
Hey, yeah.
Hey?
Can't go wrong, that's why people like it, I suppose.
Right, where is it?
Here you go.
Oh, well, hello.
Not bad. Fairly clear.
It's all right, isn't it?
What's it smell like?
Ooh, not getting a huge nose, are you? Not actually virtually not a lot of anything.
Well, malty beer, but not a lot of...
I've lost my sense of smell.
Dun, dun.
No, I just don't think it smells overly.
No, it doesn't actually, I reckon you're quite right.
Well, going in.
See, we can taste it. Anything then.
Cheers. It's inoffensive.
It's beer. I wouldn't say it's an IPA. I wouldn't say it's a hoppy, refreshing beer.
No.
What hops are in there are quite
It's
artificially tasty.
Slightly dry on the palate. I wouldn't say it's hugely dry. It's got a low citrusy hoppy taste. It's beer.
Yeah, but it's kind of sharp, low citrusy hoppy
A
taste.
little bit, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. It's kind of like heading
Almost, manufactured, like you
down.
say.
Yeah, manufactured, but it's almost heading down to those people say, "Ooh, homebrew." It's a bit.
I won't go that far.
No, it's,
I won't go that far.
it's almost, it hasn't, but it's almost got that homebrew twang that people associate with homebrew years ago.
A little bit.
And you can tell it's a one tin kit.
Yeah, but it's not as good as the last one tin kit
No,
from Wilkos.
the last one tin kit, now you remember, is had more malt extract.
Right, okay.
It was a 1.8 kit.
Okay.
This is a smaller tin. So
Yeah. And I think you can tell.
I think you can tell.
I think you can tell.
10 out of 10?
No.
No, I mean, yes, go around at 10 out of 10. Yeah.
He said 10 out of 10, didn't he? I don't know. 7, 6, 7-ish.
Yeah, 6, 7-ish.
Yeah.
I don't think I'd rush out there to buy another kit next week.
No. But if you are starting, it's one of the easier kits
Yes,
to do,
if
isn't
you
it?
are starting, great start. Dissolve your malt extract in boiling water. Dissolve your sugar in boiling water. Follow the instructions. Keep everything clean.
And it's dirt cheap. And at the end of the day, you do get a drinkable beer.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's perfect.
There's nothing wrong
We've
with
had
it.
worse.
Oh, we had a lot worse, to be
We've had
honest.
worse in the cans out in the shop, made by professionals, to be fair.
It's all right. It's all right.
It's all right. It's all right.
So, moving swiftly on, as we do in the DMP.
Yeah, well, we've got a choice, bro. Shall we start with the weakest of the two? Which is
Let's go up in ABV, bro, which means it's this one next.
New Zealand Pilsner from Dark Rock. Now, this is a part mash kit. Those haven't done part mash before. It's the next step up from malt extract. you get a bigger bag of grains to steep, basically.
Comes in one of these boxes from Dark Rock Brewing, if you can see what there's there. And my brother this time has kindly written things on it for me. So we know that it's £29.50.
Yep.
And we know it brews to 4.6 ABV.
Quite a lot dearer than your Wilko's kit. But if you are into all grain is £5 cheaper than part grain.
Why is that then, Brad?
I haven't a clue.
Okay.
I presume because grains are cheaper than malt extract.
Well, yeah, because obviously there's not as much production in them, is there? I suppose you've got to produce the malt, so it costs you more, doesn't it? Right, okay.
And
okay.
The description's on the blue bit. Right?
Oh, it's on the blue bit, isn't it? It's on the blue bit. It's on
Yeah.
the blue bit right here. Look.
Cool.
A crisp and refreshing pilsner that everyone will enjoy. A unique blend of the finest New Zealand hops gives this beer a distinctive crisp bitterness and delicate fruity aroma. This pilsner is best served chilled on a warm summer's day.
Well, it's not a warm summer's day by far.
But it's quite mild.
It's quite mild. It's quite mild. It's been 19 today outside.
It's bonkers in October,
In
isn't it?
October.
Bonkers.
I haven't switched my chiller on though, so it might not be as chilled as expected.
Well, it's crystal clear, bro.
That
You can
is.
see that on the film, man, but look at that, baby.
Look at that, yeah.
Ooh. It's got a nice head to it.
Now you can smell quite of the citrus notes coming through there with the maltiness.
Yes.
And
It's not huge punchy, but it's
huge punchy.
you know. Yeah. Ooh. Right.
Right.
Winning.
Shall we go? It's got a good lack in it.
Ooh.
That's 10 times better.
Now then. That's got something about it.
Aren't it just? There's quite a lot going on in there.
Ooh.
From a kind of rich maltiness in the background.
Yeah.
And then the hops come through and punch their way through and leaving you a nice, dry, tingly
Yes,
taste
I
to the
agree
tongue.
with that. Not quite as crisp as I was expecting for Pilsner.
No.
I'm
Not
expecting
as
almost a lager when
Yeah,
you say Pilsner
yeah,
to me.
yeah.
And it's not quite that, but it's a very nice beer.
Yeah. Yotsko, where to go in there. The New Zealand hops. There's a secret blend of New Zealand hops in there. Yeah.
You know, I would almost class it as a Pilsner. It's heading towards IPA-ish, isn't it?
It is really, yeah.
You know, yeah. But it's very good. What do you reckon, Brad?
Not quite a 10 out of 10. There's nothing wrong with it.
It's knocking on the door, isn't it? It's knocking on the door.
It's knocking on the door. I would say you're getting close. No, I think actually it's a 10 out of 10.
It's gone for 10 out of 10 at the end, look at that. Yeah, I'll get 10 out of 10, Brad. Yeah.
I'd make that again, do that again, and I'll drink that all day long in the summer's day as well, actually, to be fair.
Yes, I could just imagine sitting outside in the nice sunshine, feet up, watching a bit of rugby, having a glass of that. Lovely jubbly. Yeah. Too right.
Too right.
Oh, we got about 10 out of 10. Excellent. Right. Next.
Staying down in the southern hemisphere, we're going down to Australia.
Here we go, look. Aussie Sparkling Ale. Again, same with these boxes from Dark Rock. One of those babies there, look.
With the blue label on, these are the premium range ones, so these are more expensive from the red label because you get more hops in them.
Okay,
So these are £29.50. Again,
£29.50, yeah.
in full grain, £24.50.
This one brews to 5%. This is the World Heritage Series, Australia's original home-produced medium gold-coloured ale. It has soft, clean aroma and a high carbonation level.
Oh, I haven't got that alcohol.
Okay. The ale has a medium maltiness and a moderately high hop bitterness and flavours, provided by Citra. Oh, I do like a bit of Citra, Cascade and Vic Secret hops. Okay. All your stuff in the box.
All your stuff comes in that box. All your hops come labelled, and you put them into your ball at certain times. Really, you can't go too long. Even though I have done.
I was going to say, you have before in the past, bro. So, you know, anybody can make a mistake.
One of my friends has started doing this. He's done a part mash one this week, the tribute one.
Okay, yeah.
We're gonna try around and sample it when he's got it finished.
When we're allowed
So
under whatever restrictions we're
people,
under.
which is great.
Right, here we go then. Ooh, sorry.
Cheers. Oh, again a good malty nose, I think. Really, the hops are not really coming through. It's not giving me a strong citrus note.
No, a bit more malty, like you say, on that bit, a little bit there, isn't it? So, cheers, bro.
Let's go in.
Ooh.
No, I really like that.
He's going to laugh at me in a minute because I'm going to say it's a beery beer, isn't it?
It's a beer.
It's a proper beery beer, that.
It's almost a classic English bitter from Australia.
A little bit. I'd akin it to sort of like the likes of, but not the same as Bass or something like that, maybe.
It's got a bit of a twang there, so it's almost like a bit of Bateman's and a bit of
traditional beer, basically.
Yeah, basically.
It's nice.
It's nice.
I like that.
I like that.
I like that.
I like that. I might have to downgrade that one to 9 out of 10, put this one back in at 10 out of 10.
I'm with you. Because for this time of year, it's dark outside. It is starting to get a bit cold in that. Yeah, I love my golden beers and you like refreshing beers, but that's it in the spot, that is, bro.
Yeah, it's a proper copied, obviously the Aussies have copied English beer, made themselves, and then called it Aussie Sparkling Ale.
It's got a very nice aftertaste as well, hasn't it? Quite dry and...
It's got a good dryness there, so if you do like your English beers with a good, I keep saying English beers, but if you do like English beers with a good, that kind of dry uppiness to the background notes, that's a...
5% though, so not, we're down too many, isn't it?
Well, that's what you want this time. What are you, girl? 5%? Come on, it's a session beer.
There you go.
When did you turn into a wuss? God,
he's off on it, isn't he? He's running. It's very good, bro. That's 10 out of 10.
Definitely a 10 out of 10. Quite easy to do. Again, one of my friends has done this on top of his stove with a...
okay.
Like saucepan type thing. So,
okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
So
we got a 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10, and middle range one sort of thing, haven't we?
The price does tell though, I think.
The price does tell, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think you are getting what you pay for, to be fair.
Lovely, lovely. Now then, obviously rules keep changing at the minute. Have you had any trouble getting kit?
Again, I've been on quite a few websites. Some are low on stock, some are out of stock on stuff. It's kits and generally.
Because obviously with pubs closing earlier now, people can't go out and drink so much, so brewing more at home. So I'd advise, and I know my brother would do, get your kits in for Christmas if you haven't already got them.
Already done.
Because you're going to need them.
Already done. Already brewed.
Look at it all smug over here. Already done. Already brewed. Like, great.
Talk of already brewed. Next time round,
next time. See what he's got on the board. Oh my God. Burnley Homebrew Elvis Juice.
Now, some lovely subscribers of ours, Elise and Graham, they actually sent us their favourite kit. I made it, and it's called Elvis Juice, and we'll be reviewing it next time.
Oh, you'll have to call it Elvis Juice for trademark purposes.
Yeah, Brewdog have been taken to court by Presley Estates, but only for marketing in the rest of Europe.
But not in England.
But not in England.
So we will call it Elvis Juice. Anyway, after that, we've got the Worcester Hop Shop Wainwright Gold.
We do like a bit of Wainwright Gold.
I like a bit of Wainwright Gold. Oh, the bottom one intrigues me a lot. Worcester Hop Shop, Bateman's Treble XB.
Treble XB.
If you haven't noticed, both me and my bro are from the Art of Lincolnshire, which is where Bateman's is from.
Yep, so we're looking forward to those two.
So we know what that tastes like.
We're looking for all those three. Actually.
All those three, I'm looking forward to them.
Yeah, looking forward to them. If you want to not miss out, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Please.
And you'll find out exactly what we think of those beers. We'll be telling you what the cost and all the rest of the business.
Lovely. And thanks to the people who've already subscribed. It keeps creeping up, doesn't it? And commenting. And go ahead and comment. And we'll.
Yeah, it is much appreciated. We love all your comments. We love all your feedback. It's absolutely amazing. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Well, that's about it, bro.
I think it's about it, bro.
That's about it. So until next time, it's goodbye from me.
And it's goodbye from me.
Toodaloo.